Hey music enthusiasts, ever caught yourself daydreaming about rocking the music world but got tangled in a web of what-ifs? Or hey, perhaps you're just like us, adventurous souls eager to dive into something fresh and exciting? We've got a treat for you. In today's quickfire video, we reveal 2 AI platforms that'll launch your music journey. And here's a fun challenge. Can you guess the beat we've reinvented using these tools? All right, let's go. And discover AI magic in seconds. First, write a text or hum a beat and our AI creates a singer's voice and instruments from it. Then, explore 10 creative functions on our second platform to elevate your music. Go to Google and look for Musicfy.lol and dive into a game-changing platform that turns your voice into a full musical experience. With Musicfy, create your own AI voice, remix tracks with ease, and even transform text into songs. It's all about making music creation seamless, fun, and incredibly innovative. Whether you're an aspiring artist or just love playing with new sounds, Musicfy is set to be your new go-to music buddy. Because it's super easy. Just upload an audio file or a YouTube link, then pick your favorite singer style. Let's see.
I can fall back to it, daddy, how we do it on my. We a small town crew, but this is set a function. But you around my bed, don't even notice me. Then she realized.
Nice, let's check Lila.
Whoever said money can solve your problems must not have had enough money.
Who needs a vocal coach when you have an AI like this? Just tested Musicfy's voice AI. Now let's see how it nails converting our beats into stunning instrumentals. The same as before, upload, record, or use a YouTube link. Pro tip, everyone, sometimes your recordings might not be in the right format for Musicfy AI. Don't sweat it. Head over to our favorite AI tool website, TinyWOW. It's packed with functions to simplify your life. Whether it's format conversions or other cool features, TinyWOW has got you covered. All right, we've uploaded our file. Now comes the fun part, choosing from the plethora of instruments available. Musicfy has an array of options to bring your musical vision to life. Let's pick the electric guitar and witness the AI work its magic. Let's unveil our creation. Hit play and try to guess the theme we recreated and leave a comment. Good start, but let's try sounding more like the instrument for an even better result. Let me ask our editor this time. Now that we've got our singer and band set up, it's time to craft a deep and meaningful song with the next platform. It's time to dive into TextFX, an incredible collaboration between Google Labs and the musical genius, Lupe Fiasco. TextFX is an AI-powered suite of tools that expands human creativity in music. You can experiment with large language models to generate text and explore creative possibilities with words and phrases. A compelling simile paints a vivid picture, capturing the essence of our ideas with concrete imagery while steering clear of the obvious. The best similes surprise and stir emotions, offering fresh perspectives. Here are a few examples of such striking similes. Explode, a concept in same-sounding phrases, is about crafting phrases that echo the sound of another word or phrase. In the table they've prepared, you'll see how TextFX primed the large language model, LLM, to generate these auditory twins from given words or phrases. In each of the scenes described below, it is demonstrated how to infuse extra details to spin the story in an unanticipated direction. This is all about crafting an unexpected plot twist from a simple scene description, by adding layers and nuances to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, leading to a surprising and captivating narrative turn. The chain function is a creative sequence of 8 words, each linked semantically to the one before it. This forms a linguistic bridge, connecting each term to the next through meaning and context, crafting a cohesive and intriguing progression from a single starting word. POV embraces perspectives that are fresh and stimulating, offering novel angles on familiar narratives. Hot takes can range from whimsical and playful to bold and contentious, perfect for storytelling in songs. They add a unique flavor, turning each lyric into a conversation starter, whether it's through lighthearted humor or more provocative, debate-sparking viewpoints. The alliteration function is a creative tool that generates words starting with a specific letter, all while staying relevant to a chosen topic or domain. This feature artfully combines the charm of alliteration with topical relevance, providing a unique and stylistic way to enhance linguistic expression. Wow, you're still with us. That means you're as thrilled about this as we are. If you're loving what you see, why not drop a comment and hit that subscribe button? We'd really appreciate it and can't wait to share more exciting content with you. All right, let's go. Our favorite feature is the acronym function. It cleverly crafts abbreviations from several words, creating a new pronounceable term. This function is not just about shortening phrases, it's an artful blend of conciseness and creativity, turning a string of words into a catchy and memorable acronym. One fantastic exercise for flexing your creative thinking muscles is to find links between things that, at first glance, seem totally unrelated. For each pair listed below, Fuse came up with a unique and surprising connection, something they share that's not just a basic, obvious similarity. These connections are imaginative and unexpected, showcasing the art of thinking outside the box. Sensory details animate writing by appealing to our 5 senses. They make descriptions vivid and engaging. Below, we've provided sensory details for various items, each creatively evoking the essence of these things in a way that's both imaginative and vividly real. Unfold is a unique function that reveals how a given word can be intricately woven into other existing words or phrases. It's a tool that showcases the versatility and interconnectedness of language by generating various contexts where your chosen word seamlessly blends in. All right, everyone, that wraps up today's journey with us. We hope you discovered some intriguing tools and learned something new to bring you a step closer to your dream. Thanks for tuning in, and we can't wait to see you next time on Next to Know. Stay curious and keep exploring.